Hello, it is I, the striking Viking, coming to you from the backyard farm, and apparently the chickens want to say hello as well. Hey, Heather. Well, we had a little bit of excitement. We had some serious wind here yesterday, and this tarp, which covers the north wall of the coop, got so battered about by the wind, which was actually up to about 38 miles per hour, gusting in the vicinity of 60, that it separated the tarp from the wall, and I've had to come out and make a few repairs. I have these little grommets of plastic, little grommets of plastic, and then I use screws to affix it to a solid wooden point. But I've left, as you can tell, this lower edge loose so that the air which is circulating within has a point of escape. Rather than just taking the tarp with it, it'll let the air out. Now, the wind has been variable. It's been coming from the north and also from the west. So we're doing our best to ensure that the girls have some shelter and that they're not too adversely affected by the weather conditions. Boy, I'll tell you, they don't care for the wind though. We got 4 eggs yesterday, which is crazy, I know. Out of 11 hens, we get 4 eggs. I attribute it to the wind. They just don't care for the wind, and they were complaining about it as well, quite vociferously, letting me know that they didn't appreciate the wind. I told them, I know, but there's very little that I could do about it. Anyway, that's the news from here in the urban farmstead, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family members, and we'll see you on the next edition. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell so that you will be notified when we post up new videos. As you know, we're getting ready to hit the road here in a couple of weeks. It's almost exactly 2 weeks. We'll be hitting the highway and bringing you sights, sounds, and flavors from distant lands. We're looking forward to it, and I know you are too. So until then, my best advice to you would be keep tripping.